Hey guys, so a while back I made a video about these Olsa tools, double box end extractor wrenches is what they call them. So if you look at the end, you can see the teeth that is in there, and it's not like a typical 12-point design. It's almost like a 6-point, but they got sharp teeth that are kind of angled in there, and that is to remove rounded nuts and bolts. And I made a video torquing some bolts and then rounding them out, and then these were still able to extract them. But I had a little bit of love and hate on that video, and then I also had a guy call me out saying I did not do my test correctly, doing a video reply back to another user. So let's clear it up. Let's test these bad boys out again. Let's see how well they work. So first things first, this is a metric bolt, metric head, metric threads. It says right on the top of the bolt, 10.9. It is a metric bolt. It is a 15. That right there is a snap-on 15. Right here is a 14. 14 does not fit. Here's standard sizes. 9/16 will not go on. 5/8, way too big. It is a 15 mil bolt. So, why don't we torque it down to, I don't know, let's say 50 foot-pounds, and then round it out and see which will break it free. So let's go ahead and torque this down to 50. $51.5. So let's go ahead and round it out and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, she's rounded. Pretty good. So let's start out by using a snap-on 15 mil flank drive impact socket. Let's see if it slips. Hear that? Slips. Here's a blue point 15 millimeter wrench. Open end, just slips. Closed end, slips. A blue point 14 will not fit. The closed end, maybe if I beat it with a hammer, but you can't do that in every location. Only certain locations where you get lucky. Right here is a Craftsman 9/16 open end, will not fit. Closed end, same as the 14 with the blue point, only maybe if I beat it. And you can't always do that. 5/8, way too big. Closed end, way too big. Capri, Wave Drive Pro, way too big, just slips. Capri 14, just like the 9/16 and the blue point 14, does not fit. So let's try the Olsa, the extractor wrench. Let's see if it takes it out. And don't forget, this is torqued to 50 foot-pounds. So here we go. We're going to use the 15. This is how much slop it has. Let's see if we can get that broke free. It's turning. There it is. Olsa tools for the win, baby. And for you guys that say, oh, my vice grips will do that just as easy, or I'll just beat a smaller socket on it, I'll just beat a smaller closed-in wrench on it. You know dang well that that doesn't work in every location. That only works on locations out in the open where you can do that. It's not